Hey guys, I'm Silent here and today I'm doing a video. Today I am doing the first ever edited church video.
Well, I'm just continuing my video. I'm here too.
Corey's doing his video with the iPod. Double video!
Yeah.
If you want to see his, go on his channel right now. It'll be in the description below.
Well, when we've uploaded them, of course.
Yes.
Right, it's about to go in 1 minute. So anything before it chimes, we'll hear some Marys over there going at the same
So
time.
there it is beautiful as always.
And by the way, St Mary's goes as well. So St Mary's over there is going to chime in a minute because it goes as well. All churches go every.
And there you go. That's good position.
Yeah.
So what time is this?
10 o'clock bells.
10 o'clock bells. Okay.
10 o'clock bells. 10 o'clock bells. 10 o'clock bells. 10 o'clock bells. Oh crap! These flies keep doing.
I know. There's these like tiny little flies, but doing our nutting.
Right,
So after we do this, we're gonna go home.
Get some breakfast and all that.
Yeah, because we ain't basically done anything except from get dressed and brush our teeth. That's everything we've done this morning. And then we just sat down on this grass with the bag, and our bikes. So yeah.
Yeah. I know some Mary's really that good time. What if it's St Andrew's right there?
Alright.
But over there, that's St Mary's.
Oh yeah, just a thanks for 52 subscribers. Take it very personally.
Like 3 subscribers for me.
So it's from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Thank you so much. So yes.
Yeah,
And
I got
put-
St Mary's.
And here's St Mary's. Go away, St Mary's. No one likes you. This is St Andrews. Is it?
Right, St Mary's has stopped.
When's St Andrews gonna go?
I don't know. There's loads of flies.
Fucking flies.
These flies are very annoying.
My shadow's only one that walks beside me.
My heart is starting to hurt.
I came like a wrecking ball.
Oh, I did say that.
Do you fall for America? All I wanted to bring more and more. So that was it. If you'd like to see more, please comment, like,
subscribe,
and subscribe.
I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye. And the church also wants to say, hey, Samaritan did an awesome tune earlier. Goodbye.
Just gonna wait for Corey to do his outro. Right, okay. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. It helps a lot. If you'd like to see more church bells, please subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. According to the beer.
Yeah.